Submit your account. It is time to submit your account. These are today trades. This is one of client account. You can see here. This is one of his account. Okay. This is one of the account. It's time to submit. It's time to submit your account. Account almost doubled. It's time to submit. We are few pips away from actually closing the trades for today. So yeah, submit. New client, another account. Today's trade signal is provided. Right, signal was given. So this is the precision of trading. Right, 1 minute. Account about to get doubled as well. So you can submit to your account. Okay, this is real account, client account. So we use proper risk management, but your account still grows. Okay, this is only today. Handle your account. You know your account is safe. Okay, so these are only today's trades. I'm about to take this one to 1,500 by Friday. Right, this has to go triple by Friday. So if you have your account, you can submit. Remember, the deadline for the discount offer ends today. So once switches tomorrow, 1st of September, prices will change. Even the minimum deposit for the copy trading and account management will also change. Actually submitted the account today, and this is what he can see from his trade account. Okay, he submitted the account today morning. Okay, today morning he submitted the account, and now he's wondering what is happening to his account. Okay, he's actually wondering what is happening. You can see when it was deposited. Actually, not today. No, during my birthday, I think. Yeah. So you can see what is happening. 250. I'm going to double it by Friday. Yeah, by Friday it has to be doubled. You know. And this is my show, my friend. This is my show. Today is just Monday. Okay. All right, guys.